Hi, in this video, we will look at the difference between decimal places and significant figures. If you find this video useful, please give me a like and subscribe. Also feel free to comment below for any questions or any other topics so that I could make more videos you would benefit from. Let's get started. By definition, decimal places is the number of digits to the right of the decimal point. Significant figures is defined as the number of digits counting from the first non-zero number. Let's look at an example. The number we're given is 10.20305. So the first decimal place will be the first digit to the right of my decimal point. That means I have 2. My second decimal place will be 0. My third decimal place will be 3. If we were looking at the significant figures, we need to counting from the first non-zero digit, which is the 1 here. So 1 will be my first significant figure. 0 will be my second significant figure. 2 will be my third significant figure. Now let's work them out. If the question asks me to write this number correct to 3 decimal places, my cutoff point will be after my third decimal place. I'm only interested in the digit after, therefore I will ignore the 5 at the end and concentrate on this digit. If this digit is less or equals to 4, I need to round it down. If this digit is greater or equals to 5, I need to round it up. Because it's a 0, it's less than 4, therefore I need to round it down. So the answer for this number, correct to 3 decimal places, will be 10.203. If the question asks me to write this number correct to 4 decimal places, my cutoff point will be after the 4th decimal place, which is here. I'm interested in the next digit, which is 5. Because it's 5, I need to round it up. So if the question asks me to correct this number to 4 decimal places, the answer will be 10.2031. Let's look at significant figures next. If the question asks me to write this number correct to 3 significant figures, I need to start counting from the first non-zero digit, which is my 1. Second significant figure is 0, and the third significant figure is 2. So my cutoff point will be here. I'm only interested in the digit after, so I will ignore the 3, 0, and 5 at the end. Because it's 0, less than 4, therefore I need to round it down. So if the question asks me to write this number correct to 3 significant figures, my answer will be 10.2. Let's look at another number. Now we have 0.020543. So for decimal places, I need to start from the right of my decimal point. So first decimal place is 0, second decimal place is 2, third decimal place is 0. If we were looking at significant figures, I need to start from the first non-zero digit. So my first non-zero digit is actually the 2 here. So I have my first significant figure, 2. 0 will be my second significant figure. 5 is my third significant figure. Okay, let's write our results. If the question asks me to correct this number to 3 decimal places, then my cutoff point will be after my third decimal place, which is here after the 0 before the 5. Then I'm only interested in the digit straight after, which is the 5. Ignore the 4 and 3 at the end. Because it's a 5, I need to round it up. Therefore, if the question was to write this number correct to 3 decimal places, my answer will be 0.021. Significant figures next. If the question asks me to write this number correct to 3 significant figures, I need to start from my first non-zero digit, which is the 2 here. So 2 is the first significant figure, 0 is the second significant figure, 5 is the third significant figure, so my cutoff point is after 5 before 4. I'm only interested in the digit straight after, so ignore the 3 at the end. Because it's a 4, I need to round it down. Therefore, if the question was to write this number correct to 3 significant figures, my answer will be 0.0205. So that will be all for this topic. I hope you find this video useful. If you're still watching, thank you for supporting my channel. Please click like and subscribe. Comment with questions that I might be able to help you with in future videos. Also, if you find this video useful, do check out my other video, Rounding with Examples. Thank you for watching again, and bye for now.